So, ayan, let me tour you around dito sa one of the available lots here at San Valley Estates Antipolo. So, ito yung lot na 319 square meters. So, ayan yung pathway papunta dun sa mas papalayong lugar dito sa phase 5D. And then, yun naman, itong pathway naman na to is galing yan sa main gate. Alright? This is the marking that you can see there. So from this point up to that point in the other corner, dun sa may kita yung poste, ayan, that's the 319 square meters. So this is cash basis for 17,000 per square meter. This is direct to the lot owner and still negotiable. So from there, you can see an overlooking view in front of the available lot. If you will build a 3-story house there, kitang-kita ang golf course as your view. The price is very promising, so go get it. Okay, so let's move on. Now we're going to different amenities here at San Valley Estates Antipolo. You know what I love most here is the nature. It really feels relaxing. So let's go. And now we're here at the Sports Plaza. Dito sa San Valley Estates pa rin yan. Andito pa rin tayo. You know, San Valley Estates has really developed a top-notch sports facility in this community. Well, that should be expected if you're gonna live in a high-end place like this. Okay, so let me tour you a bit. So that's the swimming pool. And then in front of that, yun, going there, that's the golf course. Of course, that's big. And also, what you can see there, I think that's the basketball court, tennis court, and yeah, the soccer field as well. It's there. This place is also very secure as the guards ask for your identity and confirm whether you're a resident. Kanina tinanong kami ni Kuya kung sino kami.
And we're here sa Hidden Pond here in San Valley Estates. Ayan, nakikita niyo, sobrang ganda. Akalain niyo bang meron dito sa Antipolo? Oh my gosh! Napakaganda, right? So this is one of the perks of buying a property here in San Valley Estates. So if you're looking for a place where you don't need to go far away para makapag-relax, well, andito lang yan sa Antipolo, sa San Valley Estates. Look at that. Very precious na nature. You can see here, ayan. O, diba? Lakad-lakad tayo dyan. Dito ka, muni-muni ka sa mga hindi mo pagtantong char lang. Ayan. See that? Alright. Napakaganda. OMG. Grabe naman yan. Dito lang yan. Sa San Valley Estates Antipolo. Go grab your lots here. Grabe ha. Sobrang amenities to ha. Where there is residents here. It's a good investment as well. Yung makabili ka ng lot dito. Oh my gosh. And this is where all you can celebrate events for your family. Like private events here. Pwede kayong ayan, o diba? Ang ganda ng view, my goodness. Tapos magse-celebrate kayo dito ng inyong family event. O diba? Talaga solong-solo nyo ang lugar na ito, my goodness. Diba? Ayan, meron silang aircon hall there. Pero meron ding alfresco. Ayan. Alright. Sobrang ganda, di ba? So, libot ko pa kayo dito. Ayan. Ito na nga ang Hidden Pond. Sobrang ganda. Sorry because I was really amazed. I'm really amazed by the beauty of the nature.
All Alright, that's the end of our tour. I hope you enjoyed this tour at Sand Valley Estates. And if you're interested to get a lot here, just contact us or message us here on TikTok or on our Facebook page, Property Presenters PH. This is Mads, your property presenter. Bye-bye!